Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Denmark is expensive, like sell a kidney for a beer expensive. But what if I told you you can go there for free? Not scammy free, not sell your soul free. Legit free. Let's break the system. Number 1. The become a test dummy hack. Denmark's tech and transport companies need human guinea pigs. Ever heard of Mobility, Copenhagen's self-driving car project pays test riders? Or try Sleep Study Sarhis University needs people to nap for science. Free bed plus free flight. Tip, Google Denmark paid research studies and filter for international participants. Cha-ching! Number 2. The freight hopping loophole. Airlines won't tell you this, but Denmark's ferries and cargo ships sometimes take passengers for cheap or free if you hustle. How work as deckhand for a day? Yes, it's a thing. Or book last-minute repositioning cruises empty ships needing ballast humans. Warning, don't stow away, but do email shipping companies like DFDS with volunteer crew requests. Number 3. The reverse Groupon scam. Denmark's tourism board literally pays influencers to visit. But you don't need 1M followers. Apply for Visit Denmark's blogger grants or small town come film us deals. Example, Skyen paid a YouTuber to make a 2-minute video. Free Airbnb. Even better, target unknown Danish regions. The national park won't say no to free publicity. Number 4. The human billboard strategy. Danish startups love wild marketing. I met a guy who got free lodging by wearing a company's t-shirt for a week. How he DM'd 20 startups on LinkedIn with, "I'll be your walking ad in Copenhagen if you cover my hostel." 3 said yes. Bonus, street performers in Nyhav earn 100 per day. Learn to juggle fire, instant visa. Number 5. The marriage market gambit. Too wild, Denmark has love migration loopholes. No, don't fake marry a Dane illegal. But cultural exchange dating sites like Meetup.com host international mixer events. Go flirt platonically and crash on new friends' couches. Disclaimer, this is not a dating advice channel. But hey, hike is real. Number 6. The dumpster diving VIP pass. Denmark wastes 700,000 tons of food yearly. Apps like Too Good To Go sell 5 mystery bags of surplus food. But the real hack, befriend bakery workers. They'll give you yesterday's bread at 9 p.m. FOR free. Sell you test sleep for science. Sail as human ballast, or just DM a herring company for free fish. Pick your hustle. Denmark's waiting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to stay updated.